Now we're looking at standard forms of the equation of an ellipse with center HK where it's not located at the origin. The standard form of the equation of an ellipse with center HK and major axis parallel to the x-axis is the following: x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared, which is equal to 1. And so we're going to follow the same rules here. Okay, since if a squared is greater than b squared, then it means the major axis is going to be on the x-axis. So when a is greater than b, again the length of the major axis is 2 times the value of a. Now the coordinates of the vertices are h plus or minus a, k. The length of the minor axis is 2 times b. The coordinates of the co-vertices are h, k plus or minus b. And the coordinates of the foci are h plus or minus c, k, where c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now the standard form of the equation of an ellipse with center hk and major axis parallel to the y-axis is the following: x minus h squared over b squared plus y minus k squared over a squared, which is equal to 1. Where a is greater than b, the length of the major axis is 2a, the coordinates of the vertices are h, k plus or minus a, the length of the minor axis is 2b, the coordinates of the co-vertices are h plus or minus b, k, the coordinates of the foci are h, k plus or minus c, where c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now, just as the ellipse is centered at the origin, ellipses that are centered at a point hk have vertices, co-vertices, and foci that are related by the equation c squared equals a squared minus b squared. We can use this relationship along with the midpoint and distance formulas to find the equation of the ellipse in standard form when the vertices and foci are given. So here, because the major axis is on the x-axis, then we have x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared is equal to 1. And so over here, our major axis is on the y-axis, so we're going to have x minus h squared over b squared plus y minus k squared over a squared equals 1. And if you notice now that because the center is at hk, then our coordinates are going to be manipulated according to what hk is, because it's going to be shifted according to whatever our center is of that ellipse.